So Wolverhampton 360 is a bespoke substance misuse service for young people. The aim is to support any young people between 5 and 17 who might be living with someone that's using substances or alcohol, working with people up to 18 that might be using themselves, adults over 18 who are living with someone who's using drugs or alcohol. My role is working with the affected children, so we usually would do between 6 to 8 sessions with them. If there's further safeguarding concerns, we can extend it based on the individual case. The kind of support that we offer is wide range. Harm reduction techniques obviously support them if their aim is to reduce or to quit completely. We'll do psychosocial work with them as well so that they can understand some of the triggers. We do a lot more than just drugs and alcohol, although that is the centre. We support with emotions and other areas of their health too. I think our team is amazing and we all support each other, but we all bring something very different to our sessions. I'm the youngest in the team. That already is going to change my dynamic with young people, but our transitions worker has got lived experience of his own substance misuse and that changes his dynamic. He gets a lot of these boys that probably wouldn't engage with professionals otherwise. The oldest on the team can be seen as a very maternal or grandmotherly figure to some of the younger ones. We are the only bespoke drug and alcohol service for young people, so that would be the easy answer, but personally I think it would be the team that make us different.
Can you describe the W360 report word?
Diverse, the range of topics that we cover, the kind of key workers that we have, it's all just very diverse and colourful.